My queens, your soulmate exists. Right now, somewhere, they are waiting for you. Maybe you haven't met them yet. Maybe they are already in your life, but you haven't noticed. Maybe they are coming to your door very soon. But know this for certain. They are looking for you too. They are waiting for you too. They long for this connection too. And you will find each other. Because the universe created you for each other. And the universe always does its job. Your mission is this: make space for them. Keep your heart open. And believe that you are worthy. The universe will handle the rest. My queens. In our previous video, we learned how to attract money together. We programmed your subconscious for wealth. And now it is time for love. Because a queen deserves everything. Both wealth and great love. Both money and a soulmate. Both success and real affection. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to attract the love of your life. Step by step, concretely, because you deserve this. My queens, know this. Attracting love is just like attracting money. It is a mental game. And most women, without realizing it, are pushing love away from themselves. How? There are no good men left. I am not worthy of love. All my relationships end badly. Nobody can truly love me. Maybe I am just not meant for love. Did any of these sound familiar, my queens? Did you hear one of them inside yourself? Because your subconscious repeats these sentences every single day. It repeats them while you sleep. It repeats them while you walk. It repeats them while you look in the mirror. And whatever your subconscious believes, it creates. Just like your money beliefs. The exact same system. The exact same power. But know this too, my queens. These beliefs can change. Just like your money beliefs changed. And when they do, love will come to your door. Get ready, my queens. Stop for a moment. Close your eyes. And truly feel this. You deserve great love. You deserve someone who makes you happy every single morning. You deserve someone who loves you exactly as you are. You deserve someone who makes you feel safe. You deserve someone who makes you laugh, supports you, and truly sees you. This is not a fairy tale, my queens. This is your right. But to receive it, you must first believe this. You are worthy of it. Exactly as you are right now. Without being perfect. Without achieving everything. Just as you are. A queen does not prove herself for love. A queen does not change herself to deserve love. A queen does not settle for less than she deserves. A queen is already worthy. And you are a queen, my queens. Never forget that. Now, let me give you a concrete plan, my queens. 5 steps. Simple, but powerful. Step 1. Clear your mind. Let go of the pain from old relationships. Let go of old resentments. Let go of old disappointments. Let go of everything that belongs to the past. Because if you don't keep your hands empty, you cannot hold what is coming. Letting go is not weakness. Letting go is strength. Step 2. Know what you want. Not abstract, concrete. What kind of person should they be? How should they make you feel? What should they bring to your life? Feel this. Write it down. Read it every day, because the mind attracts what is clear. Step 3. Be yourself. Your soulmate loves you exactly as you are. Don't perform. Don't play a role. Don't try to look like someone else. Just be you, because they are looking for exactly you, not someone else. You. Step 4. Stay open. Sometimes love doesn't come from where you expect. Meet new people. Go to new places. Say yes to new experiences. Keep the doors open. The universe loves to surprise. Step 5. Listen to this video every night. Open it before you sleep. Close your eyes and feel as if you are already with your soulmate. Fully live that feeling. Feel that happiness. Feel that safety. Feel that joy. Your subconscious will turn that feeling into reality every night, consistently. Now let's repeat together, my queens. Feel every sentence inside you. Don't just listen. Believe. I deserve great love. My soulmate is looking for me. The universe is bringing us together. I am open to giving and receiving love. The right person will come at the right time. I release my resistance to love. My heart is open and ready. I deserve real and deep love. My soulmate is already on the way. The universe is choosing the best for me. I feel safe. I am loved. I am worthy. I am magnetic. I am magnetic energy. Love is finding me. My soulmate is finding me. We are finding each other because the universe created us for each other. I am a queen, and a queen always receives the greatest love. Always, without exception. My queens, you are not alone on this journey. Powermindyourhearth exists exactly for this. In our previous video, we learned how to attract money. In this video, we are learning how to attract love. And every week, a new tool is coming to strengthen your mind, to turn your dreams into reality. Add our channel songs to your daily routine. I am rich and powerful for your morning energy. Money and wealth affirmations. Start every morning like a queen. I am that girl for your confidence. Take your self-belief to the highest level. Queens don't chase. Queens attract. And this video, every night to attract your soulmate. Open it before you sleep. Let your subconscious work all night long. And when you wake up in the morning, you will feel different. Subscribe, my queens. Hit the bell icon, because every week I am giving you a new tool. My queens, never forget, you deserve both wealth and love, and absolutely everything. This is not a choice. This is your right. Your soulmate is coming. The universe is bringing you together. Keep your door open. Keep your heart open. And believe that you are worthy. Open this video every night. Process this truth into your subconscious every night. And one day, when you look back, you will see that everything has changed. See you soon, my queens. I love you.